Google official teaser Google Pixel 9 series to launch on August 13, 2024. This is the fast-look Google Pixel 9 Pro case's hands-on video. This year Google Pixel 9 series come with 3 smartphones, regular Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro, and the new Pixel 9 Pro XL. Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL have the same design with some minor changes. Google is adding native support for satellite messaging to Android OS this year with Android 15. The Pixel 9 family and the next-gen foldable is the first to support Android's native satellite implementation. New leaks: Google Pixel 9 Pro XL spotted for the first time on Geekbench. Its Tensor G4 processor has one 3.10 GHz prime core, 3 2.6 GHz performance cores, and 4 1.95 GHz efficiency cores. It also comes with 16 GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 Pro XL also packs the Mali G715 graphics processor. So in this video let's now talk about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. It shows a familiar design we have seen on Apple's iPhones. The rear camera module has been redesigned but still looks very much like a Pixel phone. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is also seen in a black color, which will most likely be joined by more options. Pixel 9 Pro XL will offer a 6.5-inch 120Hz OLED display compared to the 6.1-inch Pixel 9 Pro. Pixel 9 Pro XL come with new triple camera setup with some new AI features. The Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. Pixel 9 series also giving 7 years of OS and security updates. It seems that Google may take a new approach with the Pixel 9 series by launching 3 device models at once. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.